Hi, we're back and driving your mom's car, and we're gonna play the marriage game. I'm gonna ask Austin.
I'm not even gonna go that way.
I'm gonna ask Austin some questions, and he's gonna answer them. And whether he does good or bad, I'll add points to his marriage life. Okay, Austin. First question: when you shave, do you shave into the sink, into the toilet, or into the trash can?
Sink.
The sink. Ooh, that's -2 points. That is the worst place, because then they get mad and they yell at you. You are -2 right now. Okay, after you use the bathroom, do you use the do you put the what the fuck's it called? Do you put the lid down, or do you just keep it up?
Put it down.
Put it down. Great, that's +2. Okay, you're back 0. Okay, as you can see, take a pause in the game. We're driving by a trailer park, and I don't know what that is. That looks like an old person's place. I don't know. But, yeah, it's just fun. Okay. I don't have any more questions right now, so we'll be back with you for the second part of the marriage game. And we're back, and we got some more questions. Okay, Austin? Do you drink in the morning or at night?
Both.
Both? Okay. That's pretty nice. That's +1. Chicks don't like when you drink in the morning, but if you drink at night, yeah, you know. You like hot girls or smart girls?
Hot, I don't care if they're smart. I'm not smart.
Yeah, true. Why would they need to be smart? All they gotta do is cook and clean and stuff. Okay. Those are the other two questions. That would have been a +1. So, Austin's gonna have a pretty good marriage. Sex life's gonna be awesome. He's gonna cheat on her a couple times. She's gonna dump him. And then he's gonna grow old, poor, by himself, and his life's gonna suck after that. He's gonna get in a car accident. You know why? He's gonna be driving his mom's car somewhere. Yeah, even though he'll have his own car, which he wrecked, or he's going to wreck. I see it. He's gonna die at the age of 31. That car, do you see that car pulling out? What the fuck? We almost died. There's that truck in the street, pretty much. Okay, well, as you see, if you look way down there, see that sign right there? You can kind of see the Sonic sign, which means that we're getting to Sonic. Okay, well, we're gonna go, and yeah.